Carbonium sulfuratum, Allen's keynotes, specially adapted to patients broken down by the abuse of alcohol, suited to herpetic diathesis, sensitive to warm, damp weather, hemorrhage of bright red blood from rectum after stool, toothache excited by warm food, dim sight, objects fade away. Dimness of vision as from a fog or mist before the eyes, vision greatly impaired, color blindness, diplopia. Reading brings tears to eyes, obliged to wink to see clearly. Lisping, stammering, speech like that of a child, navel drawn in by pain, strangulated hernia, impotence in atrophied testicles, asphyxia from alcohol and from coal gas, pains in limbs and joints, chronic sciatica, right thigh, movement impeded, sudden attack of general trembling with dimness of vision, anesthesia of certain portions of the skin, diminished sensibility of arms, hands and feet, herpes on dorsal surface of hands, gait unsteady, tottering, worse in dark. Efficacious in restraining growth of cancer, chronic skin diseases with much itching, digestive disorders of extreme severity, cloudiness and atrophy of optic disc, retinal congestion, arteries and veins tortuous, optic disc pale. Everything seemed in a fog, as if a spider's web were spread over objects, green or red. Loss of memory, especially for words. Brushing hair is painful, itching on head, pimples sore to touch, lockjaw, numbness of fingers and inability to hold small objects, emaciation, incomplete contraction of all the muscles of the body, sudden attack of general trembling with dimness of vision, violent headache increasing till the mind is affected. Carbonium sulfuratum, boric materia medica, alcohol sulfuris, bisulfide of carbon. This drug has a deep and disorganizing action and in an immense range of action judging from the symptomatology, very useful in patients broken down by abuse of alcohol, sensitive patients, worse cold, wasted muscles and skin and mucous membranes, anesthetic. Spatial affinity for eyes, chronic rheumatism, sensitive and cold, lack of vital heat, diarrhea every 4 to 6 weeks, paralysis with intense congestion of nerve centers, tapes, sensory difficulties in limbs, impotence, sciatica come within the therapeutic sphere of this remedy. Chronic plumbism, diminished sensibility of arms, hands and feet, peripheral neuritis. Mind irritable, anxious, intolerant, stupor, sluggishness of mind, hallucinations of sight and hearing, changeable mood, dementia alternating with excitement, head, headache and dizziness, aches as from a tight cap, ears feel obstructed, noises in head, ulceration of the lips, anesthesia of mouth and tongue, eyes, myopia, asthenopia and dyschromatopsia, cloudiness and atrophy of optic disc and central scotoma for light and for red and green, not for white, optic neuritis advancing toward atrophy, arteries and veins congested, retinal congestion, optic disc pale, everything seems in a fog, vision greatly impaired, color blindness, ears, hearing impaired, buzzing and singing noises like an Aeolian harp, tinnitus aurium, Meniere's disease. Abdomen, pain with wandering swellings as from flatters, distension with soreness and rumbling. Male, desire lost, parts atrophied, frequent profuse emissions. Extremities, herpes on dorsal surface of hands, sore bruised limbs, anesthesia of arms and hands, cramps in limbs, lightning like pains with cramps, fingers swollen, sensible, rigid, stiff, Gait unsteady, tottering, worse in dark. Feet insensible, sciatica, flying pains returning regularly for a long time. Pain in lower limbs with cramps and formication, neuritis. Sleep. Deep morning sleep with anxious, vexation dreams. Skin, anesthesia, burning, itching, ulcers, small wounds, fester. Useful to restrain the growth of cancer. Furunculosis. Chronic skin diseases with much itching. Modalities. Better in open air, worse after breakfast, bathing, sensitive to warm, damp weather. Relationship. Compare tuberculin, radium, carbo, sulfur, causticum, salicylic acid, cinchona. In eye symptoms, compare benzene dinitric. Thyroidin, progressive diminution of sight with central scotoma. Dose, first attenuation. Locally in facial neuralgia and sciatica.